Hello, sir. So, our system is food ordering system. Web application development is creating a system or software that runs using a web browsers like Chrome. And also, users can open it online and use its features without installing the program. Like in our food ordering system website where customers order food online. Integrative programming means combining different technologies like website design, program logic, stores information, and API where connect systems. All of these work together to make the food ordering system function. Importance and advantage of developing integrative web applications. It makes system faster, easier to access, and more organized because different parts of the system work together. Our proposed system, food ordering system, is a website where customers can view food, order items, and check their order status. And also admins can manage food items, users, and orders. First objective, make an online platform for customers to order food easily. Second, customers don't need to order manually. Third, the system helps organize orders and avoid errors. In our significance of the system advantage, we have faster processing of orders, better customer service, accurate order records, and easier monitoring of transactions. Beneficiaries or benefits. First, customers who can order food online easily and save time. Restaurant staff who can manage orders faster. Business owners who can monitor sales and manage the business better. Let's proceed to our data dictionary. First, we have user table, where stores the information of users who can access the system. It contains login details and user roles. As you can see, we have field names. First, user ID, username, password, role, which is identifies user type, admin or customer, and created at date the account was created. Second, customer table stores customer information needed for ordering and delivery. It connects the customer account to their personal details, and we have field names. First, customer ID, user ID FK, which is connects customer to user table, and customer name, contact number, and for last is address for delivery location. For food table, where stores all available food products in the system. We have field names. First, food ID, category ID, which is connects food to category, and food name, name of food item, price, cost of food, and stocks availability, quantity. For the last, we have order table, where stores customer orders and transaction details. And we have field names. First, order ID, customer ID FK, where identifies who order, next, order date, total amount, and last, order status, where current order progress. In our software development tools, we have SAM, a program that provides tools needed to run a website locally, include Apache, PHP, and MySQL. And we have Visual Studio Code, a coding application where developers write and edit program code. And Postman API, a tool used to test if APIs are working correctly. And for the last is MySQL, a database system used to store information like users, food, and orders. I will add the main web forms and functionalities. We have login form, allows users and admins to enter their accounts securely, and dashboard, the main page showing important information like orders and system statistics. And we have food menu form, displays available foods, prices, and descriptions. And order form, allows customers to choose food and submit their order. And for the last is order management form, allows admins to view and update customers' orders. In our summary, we created the food ordering system that helps customers order food online and helps restaurants manage orders. In our conclusion, the system that we created is successfully improved ordering, reduced manual work, and made transactions more accurate. In our recommendations, future improvements can add online payment. Customers can pay directly using e-wallets, cards, or online methods instead of paying only in cash. And real-time delivery tracking. Customers can see where their order is and know the estimated delivery time. And for mobile app, a phone application can make ordering faster and more convenient. Customer ratings. Customers can give feedback or ratings to help improve food and service quality. And for the last, sales reports. The system can create reports showing sales, popular foods, and business performance.